Okay, so let's do examples 1 and 2. So what number means equals 40% of 15. So we have what number? Well, we don't know, but we know that next to is always our part. 40% of means multiply 15. Whenever we have a percent, to get rid of the percent sign, we have to divide it by 100. So we have part equals 0.4 times 15. So I'm going to do 0.4, and I'm just going to use parentheses so that way my multiplication symbol doesn't look like a decimal. And so we're just going to type in the calculator 0.4 times 15, and we get P equals 6. So the reason we had to divide by 15, or by 100, so let's say divide percent by 100 to get the decimal. So the reason we had to divide by 100 was because we have this percent sign right here. And so we can't actually use that until we figure out what that is as a rational number. So we can't have a percent in our equation. We have to have a rational number, which would be a decimal. And so that's why we had to divide by 100. Because remember, percent means out of 100. So that means that it would be 0.4. All right, so let's do the next one. So what percent of means multiply 90 means equals 36. Well, we need a variable, and so we're looking for our percent. So we are going to draw a line. We don't have a percent in here, so we don't have to divide by 100. So now I can just solve for the letter P. So I'm multiplying by 90. And so now I have to divide by 90. When I do that, I get 0.4 equals P. And remember, that's not a percent, that is a decimal. This is a rational number, and according to our note at the top, if we're solving for a percent, we have to multiply our answer by 100. So I'm actually going to multiply by 100, and now I find out that P equals 40%.